In this right triangle, we know that BC is equal to 10 and C is equal to 30 degrees. What is the approximate perimeter of the triangle? Okay, this is a special right triangle. I know this is a special right triangle because I see angle 90, angle 30, and so therefore we can deduce that this would be a 60. So you can look in your formula sheet at the beginning of the test and it will show you this special right triangle. You have to memorize or at least be familiar with the special right triangle to do this type of problem. Whenever you see a 30, 60, 90 triangle, we know that the bottom is going to be x, the second longest side is going to be x root 3, and the hypotenuse is going to be 2x. Okay, with this in mind, we can see that the hypotenuse of this triangle, and I'm just going to redraw this so that it doesn't get us confused. Hypotenuse is going to be 10. This will correspond to the 2x. So therefore, x is going to be half that, 5. And therefore, the other side is going to be 5 root 3. What is the approximate perimeter of the triangle? Well, it's going to be all these sides added up. 10 plus 5 plus 5 root 3, 15 plus 5 root 3. And we can put that in our calculator, and that would end up with 23.7.